So, what is programming? In the first place, you have to know what even is programming. At its core, programming is giving precise instructions to a computer to solve a problem or perform a task. Think of it as writing a recipe for a robot chef. You tell it exactly what ingredients to use, in what order, and how to combine them to make something delicious. In the world of programming, this recipe, this precise step-by-step plan, has a formal name called an algorithm. That's it. An algorithm is just the logical plan for solving a problem. The recipe is the algorithm. It's the how.
The quality of your algorithm matters. Think about our recipe. If your steps are 1. Add eggs, 2. Add flour, 3. Bake for 30 minutes, 4. Turn on the oven, your plan is flawed and your result will be a mess.
Instead, a good algorithm would reorder those steps logically. 1. Turn on the oven to preheat. 2. Add eggs. 3. Add flour and mix well. 4. Bake the mixture for 30 minutes. This ensures the steps are in the correct, most efficient order to get the right result every time. A perfectly baked cake.
Programming is our way of writing that algorithm down so the computer can follow it.
Computers need these clear, logical plans. As we know, computers are incredibly powerful, but they're also kind of dumb without guidance. They don't understand English or vague ideas. They need clear, step-by-step commands. That's where programming comes in. You write code, a set of instructions, in a language the computer can interpret.
Programming is behind everything from your favorite apps like Instagram or Netflix to self-driving cars and scientific research.
Plus, it's creative. You can build things from nothing and turn ideas into reality.